Okay, so here I've gone ahead and solved the second problem, and I'm going to go ahead and help you read it. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either read the Punnett square or decide what you're looking for and then read the Punnett square. I'm going to go ahead and decide what I'm looking for here. So the question asks me to identify how many gray, red-eyed individuals they would be. Since gray is the dominant, I know that anybody that is going to be gray will have at least one capital G. And since red eyes is the recessive, these would be any of the ones that have little b, little b. So then I look at my Punnett square and I'll change colors to circle these. And let's say we're going to circle these in pink. We'll say okay. All right, well, none of the ones in the first row have little b, so those aren't the ones I'm looking for. But the entire second row here has one capital G and two lowercase b's. So those would be gray with red eyes. The third row here doesn't have any little b, but the fourth row does. So here, all four of these would also be gray with red eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and write down that that is 8 out of 16 boxes, or 50%. Then it wants me to solve for gray hair and black eyes. So this time also capital G's, but for black eyes they need at least one capital B. Well, since I know that, I can now look at my Punnett square and I'll do these in green. The first row has one capital G and one capital B in all four of these boxes. So all four of these would be gray with black eyes. Same thing for the third row, one capital G and one capital B in each one of those boxes. So now I'm going to go ahead and write down that that is also 8 out of 16 or 50%. And since all 16 of my boxes have been circled, I know that none of these will be white with red eyes and none of these will be black or white with black eyes. And that is how you read the second example.